Right. Hello James and I. Just going outside, where it's snowing, because the satellite had to get us our lovely telly. We can't see Devil Wears Prada. It's the end of the world. So I'm going to go outside to the snow and brush it off. But it is 9 o'clock and it's an inch thick where we are already. It started snowing about half an hour ago. So can't really get it off. It's too high up for my chubby little hands to reach. See, that's a bit better. You can see how hard it's coming down. You probably can't. My dad's saying something to me. Do what?
The transmitter bit.
Where's the transmitter?
Fish.
This bit?
Yeah.
Alright, so I've got that bit off. So it's about an inch thick already, which is bloody brilliant, because it's meant to start this all night, and that means we get all day tomorrow and probably a day after off school. And I was out here about 10 minutes ago taking some snow off the thing to throw at my dad, and it was an inch thicker then. It's an inch and a half now. Yes?
Did it?
Good. Right.
It was stuck in the transmitter.
Bye bye.